Today, I'm busy with some corduroy pants for myself, and what I want to do is I want to make these pants, but with a zip in front. Now, the way that I'm going to do the zip is normally what you would do is for the front fly, this part here, you would put a zip at the back, a guard at the back. Let me see if I've got a sample here. But in any case, you put a guard at the back, so when you open the zip, you see this fly guard, and you can't see inside the pants. Now, normally what you would do is you would create a separate fly guard like this, and then you would add it at the back when you do the zip. But this time around, what I want to try and do is I want to use the existing fly flaps in front that's already integrated into the front panel and use that as a fly guard. Now, what I had to do was I had to cut the right panel, the fly flap, slightly larger than the other flap. So if you put them on top of each other, you can see that the one front flap is slightly bigger than the other. And that is so that when you place the zip and you turn it around, let me do this quickly. Why I'm making these videos is it's for myself, because I want to, I can't always remember what I'm doing, so this is for myself also. So when you place the zip and you turn it over like this, then you can see that it's already forming a fly guard at the back. And so the fly guard is incorporated into the zip, into the pants. And then the only part that you need to do is put this part on top, and then your zip is finished. So that is what I'm trying to accomplish with these pants, at least now. Do a test and see if it works. I've already done all the pinning, so I think it should work. The pattern that I used for my pants are a pattern that I drew up myself. It's for myself. I took measurements for myself, and I just like the fit of these pants. I don't do this often because I just don't have the patience for fittings. But these ones are for myself. They won't get a dart at the back. I did create a dart for these pants, but I'm not getting a dart. You can see if you put a dart in pants, then it gives you that nice form at the back for the bum. But these ones won't have it because it's, in any case, it's going to get although it gets a zip, it's going to get elastic. I like elastics for my pants, for the ones that I wear, because when you put elastic, the pants just fit better. But that is just personal preferences. Okay, so the next step, the first step now that I'm going to do is I'm going to do the hems at the bottom, or the seams at the bottom, and then we'll go from there.